It will help you. Yeah.
Okay. Sam Kidi, can you hear me?
Yes, so
Sam Kidi.
yeah, they hear you. They hear me.
Okay, okay, we dey hear you. Okay, take the microphone.
Okay, I greet you now. How are they, brothers?
We dey fine, thank you.
Salute, senior man.
I joined the group from South Africa here.
You're
You
welcome.
know,
You're welcome.
Yeah, I greet all of you now. And I not the Igbo guy. I'm from Edo State.
But you a Biafra. It's not about
Uh,
you, it's about
we
Biafra.
are all together. We are together. We are all fighting for justice. You
Yeah.
understand? Yes, and even for my house here, I think all my tenants they are all Igbos. They are all Igbos, so we get along very well. And I know they talk because of Biafra, but I believe in justice. When if somebody they stay your house, you don't like the person tell you say one go, you go let them go. You know, and this election, I disagree with the brother that said this Obi movement came to disrupt the Biafra movement. I'm not siding that one. I know I disagree with that notion because you know Obi getting there or getting there would have helped the movement somehow. You understand? If it help the movement somehow, and at the same time, if it still slow down the movement as well. You understand? But for help, very well, because a lot of things they way never they clear to a lot of Nigerians, not even only the southeast. There are a lot of things you guys need to do to also make the other parts of Nigeria aware of what is going on because it's an injustice. The injustice they happen to the Igbos when it comes to Nigeria issues. Myself, I don't even paid, and maybe a few years ago now I started to pay attention to these things because uh, Nigeria as a whole, as a country, the people where they carry Nigeria, now the Igbos. I know maybe you said I'm a Biafran, but I'm saying the people where they carry the country that is making things work, making things happen. They're Igbos. Even here, I was having an argument, I think a few days ago with a Yoruba lady about this same thing. She was saying the Yoruba no go suffer, they not go suffer, now the Igbo go suffer if they go. So, but I was trying to make her see many things that they are just fighting for their freedom because even the sea and everything, not there. Let's assume they are fighting to take the business in Nigeria, but they are already the owners of the business, and you people are the one that will lose if you do not join forces with them. You understand? So I don't why I join and make we know say Obi can disrupt the Biafra movement. It was going to help the movement.
Okay.
I
Thank
didn't
you,
but
Mazi. Thank you. Sam, thank you so
some
much.
I
I
have a
want to
question
ask
for
you.
him.
I want to ask you. Okay, Gaddafi, go on.
In which way Obi would have helped the struggle?
okay. You see, in terms of business wise, Nigeria are not the 50-50. If Obi was there, because a brother said just now that if you check Lagos, you understand. Because me, I dey agitate for the movement, and I tell somebody, I say, you see, as I did now, I have a lot to lose if if the movement was to take place now, because
Which
uh,
movement? Sorry, which is it? Obi movement or Biafra movement?
Right now is Biafra movement because the Obi movement is on hold right now. They don't
Okay.
announce result now.
Okay. So you are saying that if Biafra should come now, you have a lot to lose.
Yes, because why I say yes. Why I said that is this because me, I get some stake for Lagos, and I
Okay.
believe if something happen, you understand. But I don't care. I told them I don't care. It will affect me, but I don't care. You understand? I don't care
Mazi,
because
Mazi, hold
Bros,
on.
bros, bros. Mazi, make I answer this guy
Wait,
very, very, very
I
important.
say, hold on. Make una relax. You see, you don't answer this kind of questions or reply with anger or with emotion.
No, bros, I am not answering this guy with answer. I greet him very well.
Relax, calm down.
Thank you, sir.
Mazi Sam, I want to tell you something. You dey hear me?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Okay, now I want to ask you one question. Ever since where they born you, I don't know how old you there, but at least you could not reach 40 years. Ever since where they born
Yeah.
you till now, you don't see or hear any election where the person where they give vote come become the president or come become the governor. You don't see for
No,
Nigeria.
no, no.
Okay.
And where are you from? First of all, you need to tell us, where do you actually come from, sir?
I
Then
said
from Edo.
that earlier
He
on.
says
I
it's
said
come from
that I'm
You from where?
Edo State.
Edo. Are you Edo State, or are you are on Edo? Does it fall into Biafra, or you are Edo? Which one, sir?
I be Edo person. I'm from Benin and
Now you made your point. Now you made your point clear, and I'm going to take you on from there.
Okay.
Here, my Baba is a Bini guy. In the shop, there are Bini people. He has been barbing my hair for the past 10 years. So he's a good guy. He's a very good guy. But you see the other 5 people they are evil. And I will tell you something here. But these evil people that I know that hated me with passion, without any reason. Reason being probably because I dey struggle, I dey hustle, I no be lazy. I don't know for any reason they hate me, I do not know. So I won't speak for them. But out of a sudden, these 5 haters that have asked me that Biafra is a landlord, turn around and come shouting Obi. In their presence, it's almost going to turn a big fight, but it was not a fight because they know if they lay their hand on me, bam, I will fall on the ground. This country. So they didn't come close. But it was almost getting to that because my own is that I will tell you, you hated me so much. You hated Igbo so much. You hated Igbo in particular so much. And you do not know the reason why you hate me. But you turn around and say you want me to be a president. Who are you fooling? I told them. They said, oh, why you Igbo people? No, they support your school. I said, because you are deceitful. He said, what you? I said, all of you here are deceitful. Only this, my Baba, for now, is straightforward. Only the day I will see you as my Baba being deceitful, I'm going to talk to your face. So I am talking to you. It was all of you that was shouting Obi Obi. It was all of you. Now your point is that you do not want me to be free because you're going to lose. What do you have in Lagos that you?
No, you are misunderstanding my point. Maybe you didn't hear me.
No, that is what you said.
No, I said.
That is what you said. Whether your point is different, and I'm taking you back on your point.
I'm agitating for the move because I believe in equality, even if it's costing me. If it's going to cost me anything, I believe all men should be treated with respect.
Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you an honest question? Can I ask you a humble question to you now?
Yes. Yeah, I'm listening.
Why do you seriously want everybody to live together?
No, I didn't say that. That is what you are not getting. What I'm saying here is I want Biafra, I want the movement to take place today if it's possible. You understand?
You call the movement by its name, sir.
It's Biafra now. We are all together.
Call it Biafra. You want Biafra to take place today, not Biafra movement. Before.
No, you are not getting me. You are not getting me, my brother.
You don't want to mention Biafra, then say you don't want to mention Biafra.
Listen. I'm for the movement. I'm for the movement. I'm for the movement. I am for the movement. You may not, you feel not understand what you are the talk since. I am for the movement. I have nothing against it. I just said Even me supporting the movement, I have a lot to lose. I have a stake in Lagos, but I don't care if I even lose those things for this thing to stand, because I have
Okay.
to stand for equality. That's what I was saying. You didn't
Okay.
get me at first.
See, Sam, I
Yeah.
want to tell you something. You
Mm,
see, many people that are supporting Obi
mm,
think we, the Biafrans that are asking for freedom, are against Obi because we hate him or because we have any personal thing or because he had killed Biafrans before. No. We were only saying no to Obi because we know Obi is a distraction. You say you disagree with that. And I
yes.
asked you a very simple question. Ever since you were born till now, of which I promise, or of which I said I know and I'm sure you are above 40 years.
Mm,
Ever since you were born till now, after 40 years, have you seen anywhere in Nigeria, in any election, that the winner of that presidential election was given to the winner? Have you seen where anybody was elected into presidential office? Or have you seen where a president was selected into the presidential office? You say you never see where anybody where they give vote to win. That means
mm.
you believe that the people that has been president all this while are the same people that we are selected, including Obasanjo, because this Obasanjo you see now, when they open mouth, you to do the right thing, INEC is not doing the right. Obasanjo, shut up! You be old man, but I said shut up. No, because no be insult. Shut up and I keep quiet.
But
Obasanjo, you did not win election, but you became the president, and you know very well that you did not win. Why are you making it look as if Nigeria just turned upside down now? We were against Obi, or we are against Obi, because Obi knew he can never be the president. Very simple. We
But
are
Mazugo,
against Obi
but
because very
but
simple. Obi know that even if the whole world will give Obi vote, Obi
mm.
cannot be, will not be, is not going to be.
um,
Never, never, never,
We
never
Mazugo,
cannot, we
president.
cannot, we cannot act on
Mazugo,
assumption on that ground. On
We are
that,
not
with
Mazugo,
that
acting
one
on
assumption.
assumption. Listen, Sam, I asked you a question here. That's where I
Mm,
am telling you, that's where I
mm.
am concluding from. Have you
Okay.
seen, I'm asking you for the second time and the last time, have you
Mm.
seen anywhere in Nigeria where the president was elected into office with the people's vote?
Okay. I said no, but
So why do you think
on this
Obi's own?
election
Mazugo,
that
Wait,
just took place.
wait. Why do
Mazugo,
you think wait? Why do you think Obi's own will be different?
Okay, because I said as an Igbo man, Obi, as an Anambra man, one, we supported him because I didn't support him because of Biafra. I supported Obi because of all the candidates presented there for this election. He was the most qualified.
It's not what we are. I asked you a very
Wait,
simple
no,
question.
I
You
was
are
going
running
somewhere
away
now.
from the question, and if you
No,
don't want to answer it, it
I
is
know I will get
beautiful.
there. I
The
was saying
truth
something.
is
Just
this. Listen, Sam. The truth is this. You
mm,
said and you agreed that nobody has ever been elected into the office with the
mm,
vote of the people of Nigeria. So I ask
mm.
you again, why do you think Obi's own will be different from every other person that has been elected and the won and their vote were denied?
Change.
Okay, the change will start with
um,
Obi. Thank you very
Mazugo,
much.
I have question. I have question for Sam,
Okay.
and not just really a question. I just want to correct an impression. And what
Okay.
I want to say to Sam is this: you guys said Igbos are very smart in business. We accept. And do you really think it's only in business we are smart? Now, I want to let you
No.
know something. Good. We have studied the system, and we know it's just like when you see black and you want to turn this black to white, And we are telling you that, we are telling the people that we know that this thing is black. It's not all that easy for you to change this black to pure white. Now we know the system, that the system can never, because from 1957 first census was rigged till today's election. It is in the blood of Nigeria. It is in the system. We have analyzed that in this system that have been in existence for long, that this is their way. Now you say you're a Benin man, you're a Doman. Good. You can, there's nothing. If you like, go to anywhere in the world, get their citizenship. There is nothing that changes you from being a Benin man. Your documents can change, but your blood is, your DNA is a Benin man. We know that Nigeria system can never conduct free and fair election. That is why we said Obi coming. We know that Obi can never become president. We now call it a distraction, because if you analyze it critical, you know that he can never be, because that is the system. So for us to foolishly agree with other foolish set of people to join them to say Obi go, when we know very well that Obi can never become, which you yourself, you see, the result in Bauchi and the result in Gombe, they are all the same. Obasanjo, like as Ugo said, Obasanjo come to cry like he was innocent. Obasanjo used Maurice to rig election and still tell Nigeria that if he has his way, he will still do it again. So from the 1957 till date, Nigerians, anything they conduct has been rigged. So it will be stupid of us. It will be stupid of us to follow you. We that know. There's an adage that says what a wise person sees sitting down. If you like, climb on the Iroko tree, you will not see it. We have analyzed the system. We know that the system can never give you free and fair election. So you going into that place were a distraction. That is why we refuse to support Obi, because we already know. Thank you.
Okay.
I said earlier on that a lot of education needs to take place.
Hold on. Sam, please, hold on. Alanora, please go on and ask him what you want to ask him.
No, hi, hello everyone. Hi, Sam. I don't want to ask him questions. I want to lend to the discussion to Sam. Hello, Sam, can you hear me?
Yes.
Go ahead, we can hear you.
Okay, thank you. Now, my point, the reason that I want to state something categorically clear to you is, you see, you have to be putting reality to this thing that is happening now in this election cycle. Number one thing to know in life, when you are dealing with something, if you are hated, no matter what you do, you will never be accepted. The best version of you or the most intellectual version of you, you will not be accepted because you are doomed either way, because you're not right. Secondly, when you are someone who stands on anything, make sure before you take your stand and step into any situation, check
Please mute yourself.
left, right, and center before you begin. So if you are move to this side and move to this side, you will be called a Babylon chair. You turn, Britain will turn you round and round the paper tree, not climbing. You see, it is not good to be here and be there. Maintain your stand. Consistency is the key to success in anything you do. You see, if Biafrans have stood with one voice, like together, all of us, in this particular election cycle, that we know that a Southeasterner by right is the person that is supposed to be there, they will not have the chance for you to validate their sham, and they will not have the chance to rob you blindly like they did. They rob the Biafrans and ask them, what would you do? Obi has not even spoken up against the people that were hurt because of election that they supported him in, both in the north and in the west. Now, why we might not pick issues with individual people, we will not forget the fact that if you say you are a public figure and you stand up for your people, when you are hurt, when people get hurt, you should get hurt. So when they are hurt and you don't say anything, that means you are validating those who are hurting those people that support you. So Having properties anywhere in the world, you can be a Nigerian and have property in Dubai. You are not from Dubai. You can be a Nigerian, you can be a Biafran and have property in Ghana. Nobody's gonna take it because it is a right to acquire land and properties. With documentation, it belongs to you. So Biafrans are smart people that will not allow their property to be taken away when Biafra finally goes its way. But there is something I want to tell you this evening.
It's like the Sam is no longer here. The Sam is out.
You see this Biafra will come. So he might be listening in on or whatever might have happened to his network, or he decided to leave. In whichever of the 3 points that is happening, he would eventually hear this one day. We will go. And when we go, everything they have done, like the Bible says, the years the locusts have eaten, we will get them in multiple folds. Put down shaking together. It is an assurance.
Bam. Yo, Adigbo, ndewo, Chukwu gọziere gị. Ndewo. Thank you. Gwa ha. Ndewo, ndewo.
I just say for the flogging part, say you know go flog woman, otherwise, I go do you what we do break it with this love woman.